Alright you guys, tonight we're in Getsemani in Cartagena, and this place is absolutely wild, full of people. It's crazy. You can't even walk through some of these streets, they're so packed. It's insane. This part has been hard to get through right here, right? But it's not as busy right now. Now, as you can see, it's pretty full over here as well. It's just like this whole area is crazy, crazy lit. Definitely recommend Getsemani if you're here in Cartagena. Good vibes over here. That's wild. Alright, we're gonna try to go through this even smaller street right now and see what it's like. Look at this, you gotta love Getsemani right here. I love Getsemani. Look at this. You can't even get through right now. Dies down a little bit because in the daytime this is a lot of art galleries and stuff like that, but of course the art galleries aren't going to be like turned into bars or clubs. I mean, that'd be pretty cool, but you know. So over here is a little quieter down this area right here, and then as soon as we get to the next block it's going to be lively again. I mean, it's getting pretty lively as we walk down right here. Check it out.
This super packed club is called Havana, and it's a famous salsa club in Cartagena.
I crossed the street over here, and look, it's lit over here as well. Another vibe. Need me a water ASAP. Oh my goodness, do I need a water, that's for sure. Drink my nice water, and I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the streets of Getsemani at night. Absolutely lit. Here's my favorite arepa place right here, Fire Arepas. I see it's good vibes. People chilling around all around town. Alright. Here it starts to quiet down, so we're gonna head to the center. On all these side streets, there's a lot of stuff to do, so definitely check them out. But I'm not gonna go down every single side street. I'm gonna go down the main streets for now. This place sounds pretty cool every night too. I have to give this away, bro.
Hey, you don't like that weed? We got it.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
That's it. Alright, you guys, this is what it looks like outside the famous clock tower. Street food everywhere. Tons of people outside selling beers, waters, and of course you got that beautiful clock tower right there. It really is a pretty magical place. This place is pretty insane. I'm gonna take you guys inside the walls, all right, and show you everything there is to see. Cartagena vlog right here. All right, I don't know how well everybody's gonna respond to me recording, because you guys didn't know there's a lot of working girls out here in by the clock tower, but this is where we go into the wall right here. You can buy souvenirs inside the wall. Somebody's got a crazy looking bike right there. And then when you enter in, here it is. This is the famous clock tower right here. You got your clock tower right there. And then this way, it's full of bars and clubs and stuff like that, as you can see. It's full of bars this way. Bars, bars, bars. And then all down this way, there's more bars as well.
How you doing? Everything good?
Everything good, bro.
Welcome to Cartagena. Love this shit, man.
Thank you, man. Alright, welcome to Cartagena, you guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Here, I'm gonna go down this street. You're gonna see some lovely Cartagena architecture. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna go from the clock tower right there. And we're gonna go.
Dude, just push me. That little one right there in the orange.
I don't blame her. Get out the way, buddy. As you can see, absolutely wild over here. So full of people, it's crazy. Saturday night, Cartagena. Everybody from tourists to locals. Got everything. Los Celtics kids.
Celtics kids.
You know the vibes. Celtics are winning the championship this year. Let's get it. Hell yeah. Lines to get in all these clubs right here. It's wild. No baby, no, she said. Well, what am I gonna do? Be like that. I'm gonna have to get a thing. Alright, look at this. Here we go. It's just the end of the street right over here in Cartagena. Absolutely beautiful. Check out that architecture. KFC right there. Another vibes. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, I don't want to expose some of these girls if they're working. They might have husbands and stuff like that. But hey, come on. You're in like the most touristic city in Colombia. You know, if somebody's recording, it's fair game, right? That's pretty fair, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Gets pretty wild over here. There's a big group of kids. They usually stay outside this store. Oh, nope, not, it's the wrong store. It's a different store. Yes, let's go. I'm fucking Mike Tyson. You guys heard that?
I'm Mike Tyson. I'm here in Cartagena.
You know the vibes? And I called Mike Tyson 2 times on this walk. I feel like the man, dude. Alright, I'm in Cartagena. This is my favorite kids right here.
Colombia, bro. From Venezuela.
It's my boy Kevin. ¿Cómo te llamas? Jose and Kevin? Jimmy. Oh, fuck, dude.
Remember, bro.
Alright, yo, we got Jimmy and Jose.
Me, I'm Jose. I'm walking around from the street in Cartagena.
Yo, if you see these guys, give them a lot of money. Give my boys a lot of money. Give them a lot of money, alright? For real, you gotta give my boys a lot of money. This guy's not coming through with the water right here. Yeah, this guy too. I didn't give him any money because I don't know him like that. Un poco de dinero para ellos. Mucho dinero para ellos. Works a lot. Yeah, this kid's gotta work a lot. He said he's very poor. That's funny. Look how skinny he is. That's funny. He said he's skinny because he's hungry. God damn.
Video, foto. Para ver, hombre, por los peladitos.
Puedes ver a la chica, ¿oíste?
Los peladitos, hombre. Chica. Los niños. Son Cartagena, niños pobres.
Dale ahí con...
¿Y cuántos años tienes?
¿Cuántos años
De
tienes?
30, 40.
¿Cuántos años tienes? 30. No, 13.
30.
13.
Vamos. The video.
The video for
Alright, let's go see this. Let's take the video.
Video.
Alright, let's see.
Vamos a pelear, tiramos seguida.
They're making best. Let's get it. Oh!
Nada, porque te digo que tirar seguida esa munda. Ya, casa. La madre para ti, güey.
Now they're gambling for the money I just gave them.
¡Chao! ¡Vamos!
Damn, he's taking this kid's money crazy,
I got a
bro.
5 mil peso.
Oh,
Peso for me.
yeah, the kid ran away.
Gracias.
No puedes jugar con dinero si no quieres perderlo. ¿sabes?
Ya. Ahora sí.
Tú también. Culepata. ¿Cómo?
Sí, bro. ¿Tú puedes for me?
No, no puedes jugar con dinero si no quieres perderlo, ¿sabes?
Casa. Otro. No coin, no más money. For free.
Yeah. Jimmy's the man around here. Jimmy runs shit.
Yo, pues yo dinero, más dinero.
Come on, put that down. Come on. Give Jimmy your money. Come on, give me your money. Come on, give me your money.
Por mí, bro.
Regalar mi amigo Jimmy tu dinero. Regalarlo.
Vámonos dos.
Yeah, right. The little girl just grabbed all the money.
Dale, güey. Grábame, bro. Di por mí,
He said
bro.
he's got this. He said he's got this.
Ay, loco. Perdedor. Con Jimmy.
Él va a regalar el dinero a mi amigo Jimmy.
Grábame, bro.
Estoy grabando, pa.
Ay, cógame,
Put Mark in here, bro. I would put my money on Mark big time.
Oh, hell yeah.
I put my money on my brother Mark. Let's get it. I did. No, the lighting's bad, but I'm finishing my little Cartagena walkthrough nightlife Saturday night tour right here. It's all right, so I'm gonna finish off on this last busy street, and now I'm probably gonna go to a club or something like that. I don't know if I'll be able to record inside, but I guess we'll find out.